Sursdai Suksabai at Kinom Chumor Sonia, Nam with a backpack. Kinom Malby, England. Kinom Roanau, Siem Reap, Pramoikai. Hi, how are you? I'm Sonia, Nam with a backpack. I'm from England, but I've now been living in Siem Reap for 6 months. Today I thought I would go through and embarrass myself a little bit and show you some of the words that I have picked up. I took 8 Khmer lessons when I first arrived in Cambodia, but I haven't had any lessons since way before Christmas. I am terrible at it. My pronunciation is awful, but everybody honestly is so kind and helpful, and they're always there willing to help and sort of say, not quite sure you've got that right. So come on, let's go and sit down and I will tell you the words that I have learned in my 6 months of being in Cambodia. So when I first came back to Cambodia after getting my 6-month visa, I decided to go to see a local lady and take some Khmer lessons. So in total, I had 8 lessons. I was taking 2 a week. I found it so hard. I really did. Trying to get my mouth around these words, I did find really, really difficult. But actually being here and hearing the sounds every day, it's amazing. Over a period of time, you do start to pick up and hearing words and going, oh, okay, I know what that word is. If you're only coming for a few days, there are a few words that I think might be helpful for you and that you might hear while you're here. I've written them down because, as I say, I'm not very good. I just hope that maybe this might be a little helpful for you. The first one is okun, which is thank you. So the next one that you should learn how to say is suasadai, which means hello. Suasadai. And that is normally closely followed by suksabai, which means how are you? And your response would be suksabai, which means I'm fine. So it's suasadai, which is hello. Suksabai, how are you? Suksabai, I'm fine. So that is where most travellers get to, which is thank you, okon, and then suasadai, hello, suksabai, suksabai. And even if that's all you learn, then that will get you a long way. And this is where most travellers stop when they come for a short visit. But I thought I would give you a few more. And again, I know there's going to be people out there that say, you're not saying it right. I know. I've only taken a few classes just trying to help. So hopefully, even with my terrible pronunciation, this might help somebody if they're just coming for a short time. So the next one, which could be helpful, is ote, which means no. So you could add that with thank you. So it's no thank you, which is ote okon. No thank you. Ote okon. Another really useful one is to ask how much something is, and that is domlai poman, which means how much is this? A lot of people will just say poman, but that I think, and do tell me in the description if I'm getting this wrong, I think poman means how many. If you say domlai poman, that means how much in money. And another one is, can I have the bill please, which is somgit loy. And here are some numbers for you. Moi, bi, bai, boen, bram. Bram moi, bram bi, bram bai, bram boen, dup. So if you notice, the first 5 numbers are said first, which is moi, bi, bai, bon, bram. The next 5, so 5 to 10, is 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, and so on, up until 9. So that is 5, which is pram, moi, which is 1. So pram moi, pram bi, pram bai, pram bon, and 10 is dop. So moi, bi, bai, bon, pram. Pram moi, pram bi, pram bai, pram bon, dop. So to get from 10 to 20, you would do 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2. So it will be dot moi, dot bi, dot bai, dot bon, dot pram. Dot pram moi, dot pram bi, dot pram bai, dot pram bon. Mapai. Please don't ask me to do it again. But yeah, so that's where I've got so far. There are a few others as well, but I'm going to have to look at my notes because I am still just learning them and I can't remember them off the top of my head. So that is 100, which is moi roi, 1000, which is moi buon, and 10,000, which is moi mern. I hope that has been some kind of help, and excuse the way I pronounce things because I am sure I'm not sometimes hitting the sounds the way they should be. But as I said, I'm finding this so hard, but I'm also in a way really proud of myself that I've actually managed to learn just a few words that help me get by. If you are coming to Cambodia to stay a little longer, I highly suggest that you find a local teacher or a local friend and try and learn just a small amount of the local language, because sometimes when I'm walking through the market I will pick up on the odd word. I will hear people turn around and say poman, or in a restaurant I will hear somebody say somgit loy and I know, oh, they're asking for the bill. So if you found this helpful in any way, or even if it's just giving you a really good laugh, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.